How do I make a lot of money using Chat GPT? Making a lot of money using Chat GPT directly is not possible. Chat GPT is a text-based AI model created by OpenAI, and it doesn't generate money on its own. However, you can use AI, including Chat GPT, in various business or creative applications to potentially increase your income. Here are a few ways. Content generation. Use Chat GPT to assist in generating high-quality content for blogs, websites, or social media. Content that attracts traffic and engagement can lead to income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Customer support. Employ Chat GPT to improve customer support by providing instant responses to common queries, which can enhance customer satisfaction and retention. Product recommendations. If you have an e-commerce business, you can utilize Chat GPT to offer personalized product recommendations to customers, potentially increasing sales and revenue. Creative writing. If you're a writer or creative professional, you can collaborate with Chat GPT to brainstorm ideas, write content, or even co-author books or articles. Data analysis. Chat GPT can assist with data analysis and interpretation, helping businesses make informed decisions that can lead to cost savings or revenue growth. Chatbots. Develop chatbots powered by Chat GPT for your website or app to engage users and potentially boost conversions or sales. Remember that success in these endeavors often depends on how effectively you integrate Chat GPT into your business processes and the value it adds to your products or services. Additionally, always consider ethical and legal considerations when implementing AI in your business practices.